Hare Krishna, a hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Ratha Devidasi with an amazing recipe. In these cold winters, the only thing that comes to our mind are aloo pakora. Well, over years, hot pakoras are simply adorable, even when guests arrive or for some quick snacks. These are the best option. Today we are going to make aloo pakora. This is the most loved snacks, easy to make and quick also. Today we will see how to make these pakoras crispy and fluffy without adding any soda. These pakoras can also be prepared for house programs too. So let's begin with these wonderful snacks. Here I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes. Let's peel them off and similarly peel the other potatoes too. I have peeled all of them and washed thoroughly. Now cut the potatoes into slices of medium width. Do not cut them too thick or thin. And if you have slicer, you can use it also. Similarly cut all of them. Here I have taken some water here and add these slices into it so that they don't darken. You can see its thickness and this is perfect. Now transfer these potatoes into a strainer so that they dry a little. Next, let's proceed. Here I have taken a mixing bowl. Into this add 1.5 cup of gram flour or besan. Add 4 tablespoons of rice flour. Add 1 teaspoon of carom seed. Crush it against the palm and add, and this is good for digestion as well. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon crushed ginger and chili. And add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Now using a spoon, roughly mix all the ingredients. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Now pour in some water and make a batter. Stir it well and combine so that no lumps remain. Further add some more water to prepare medium thick batter. Avoid adding too much water at once. So totally here I have used a little more than 3/4 cup of water. With this, our batter is absolutely ready. You can see its consistency. The potato slices have drained and dried. Add them into the batter and coat them well. On the other hand, I have heated some oil for frying. Keep the flame low. Now drop the battered potatoes into the oil. Fry this on medium flame now. You can observe the pakoras are puffing up on their own. At this point, flip the pakoras and fry them until they turn golden and crispy. You can see we added no baking soda, yet they are puffing up wonderfully like puris. These pakoras have fried well. Let's take them out in a plate. Similarly, let's fry another batch too. I have shared many snacks recipes previously. You can find them all in the snacks recipes playlist in the description box below. This have fried well, and in the same way fry all of them. Our crispy aloo pakoras are fried and ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Our winter special aloo pakoras are offered and ready. If you like boga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any boga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.